Hello friends, today I'm gonna teach you how to make the collision function. So here we're gonna talk about on how to make the collision one. So what I want to do is first let's go to my blocks and make and where it says make a block one, we'll click make a block one, and right now we're gonna write collision. There we have defined collision and put the defined collision aside from it for now. But now we're gonna put the defined collision inside the forever after the bound move. And there we have defined collisions. So what I want to do is again, let's go to control and grab the if then block, right? And once we grab the if then block, what do we need? We need to go to the operators, which is called the OR operators. And then we got the all from the operator section. And what do we need to do? We need to go to the sensing where it says if touching works for the first bit, or if the spaceship touches the works two, if touching works one or works two, then what we need to do, we need to go to motion and grab where it says go to X and Y session. There we have it. Right, but I'm just gonna change the numbers a little bit, right? Because this is the spaceship. Spaceship would be his spawn point will be at minus 191, and the Y1 will be at minus 15, right? And the next thing, what do we need to do? First, we need to go to the looks, grab the height, where it says grab the height before the go to X and Y block. And the next thing is we need to, after the go to X and Y block, we need to go to the control and grab the wait 1 second block after the go to X and Y block and we'll place it inside the if then block, right? And the next thing is we want to show. Where do we need to go to show? Is we need to go to the looks and grab the show block. And now we need another show block for we need when green flag is clicked. So we need to go to the looks and grab the show block where it says show after when green flag is clicked. Okay. And let's see, will it work out? Yes, it works out. The space the the spaceship touches the walks or walk two, then it hides and waits 1 second, then it spawns back to its own original position. That's good. And there we have the collision function. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.